welcome back to the Minecraft Railways board. So, this is where we last were. As you see, we've built an extension down the line since then. So this is where we built up to last time, with the signal box here, which has now been named Sun Valley, as is the nearby station. So the line becomes single track from here, and I'm just going to give you a little pan overview of what it all looks like so far. So got a nice little bridge there. I haven't bothered with line-side fencing at the moment, but I'll probably add it in the future. Got a deep cutting here. And there's another little bridge here. And then our first automatic level crossing. As you all have seen the separate video on this, link in the description actually how to make one. But there is a single track level crossing here. Which, as we can see, is at 0 kilometers and 37 chunks. The road hasn't got a name yet. So, as we come this way, we come out onto this nice viaduct kind of bridge. And we follow the line along here. And as the line curves round this other curving, we come into another shallow cutting. As again, there's no line-side fencing here, but we will probably add some in the future, because as you see, animals get very close to the track. So as we come out onto another bridge and we come into our first village, yes, there was a village which had one of these spawn in it, so the house that was here burnt down because they spawned together. We then come to our first intermediate station at Fewkstone. And it's a single platform, obviously, and there's very few facilities here. We may add facilities in the future, but again, that's undecided. And obviously there's a nice little underpass here. Well, that was a quick update to show you where we've got to so far. Obviously we've just got to 1¼ kilometers along the line so far, so about 1,250 blocks. But as the line continues, we will come back with another update.